Have you ever played a game and felt like the characters were actually learning about you?
Totally. It's eerie sometimes, like when an NPC suddenly counters your go-to move. You're like, wait, did that bot just outsmart me?
And that's the magic of AI now, right? NPCs used to be glorified background props. Now they feel almost alive.
Yeah, they don't just stand there spouting the same dialogue. They evolve, react, get emotional. It's wild.
I saw a demo where an NPC actually remembered a player's betrayal from hours earlier, carried a grudge across missions.
That's NVIDIA's SLM tech in action. These mini language models let NPCs think and respond like real people.
It's like we've crossed into Westworld territory, but without the existential doom. Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. And it's not just characters, worlds themselves are changing. Ever try a procedurally generated quest that actually felt handcrafted?
Oh yes. It blows my mind that AI can generate entire landscapes, complete with unique storylines and lore.
Right? It's like walking into a dream that builds itself around your every step.
And no two players ever get the same experience. Replayability has gone through the roof.
Honestly, it makes you wonder, how do devs even keep up with all this?
AI's helping there too. Game analytics now use machine learning to fine-tune updates, balance difficulty, even squash bugs before players notice.
Like having a digital playtester working 24/7, but also a strategist, a QA team, and a monetization expert, all rolled into one.
And let's not forget DLSS 4. I mean, come on. That tech can turn mid-range hardware into a beast.
Cyberpunk looks better now on a laptop than it did on a high-end rig 2 years ago. That's insane.
Neural rendering is doing for visuals what GPT did for language, making the impossible look effortless.
Speaking of effortless, have you chatted with one of those digital humans yet? The ones powered by Ace?
I did. I swear I forgot it wasn't a real person halfway through. It smiled at my sarcasm.
That's the blur, isn't it? The emotional nuance, the subtlety. AI's nailing it.
And now, with AR and VR in the mix, we're not just playing games. We're stepping inside living, reactive universes.
The Apple Vision Pro demo had me ducking from arrows I felt like I could touch. It's immersive on another level.
What's even cooler is how AI's making games more inclusive. Adapting for disabilities, customizing experiences, it's a win for everyone.
Agreed. AI isn't just leveling up the tech, it's leveling the playing field.
You see those Twitch clips where an AI NPC roasts the streamer mid-game? That stuff's going viral like crazy.
Oh yeah, it's turning gameplay into theater, and audiences are loving it.
So where does it all go next? Will we have games where every NPC is basically a sentient co-star?
Maybe. Or ones that grow with you like a lifelong friend or rival. The lines are already so blurred.
One thing's clear. We're not just playing games anymore. We're part of living stories, shaped by AI in real time.
And the best part? This is only the beginning.